a team of researchers at the University of Tokyo's JSK lab built a flying drone that can twist and change its shape in midair. The researchers believe their drone could be used to navigate small spaces and interact with different objects, using its changing shapes to pick up and manipulate all kinds of different things. The drone is called Dual Rotor Embedded Multi-Link Robot with the ability of multi-degree of freedom aerial transformation, or Dragon for short. Fortunately, the drone's designers are better at robotics than they are at acronyms. The Dragon drone is made up of a handful of separate sections, and each section has its own independently controlled propellers. Even though the sections are attached to each other, this allows each section to move on its own. Semi-autonomous software decides what shape the drone will take and how each section will move to reach that shape. Currently, the prototype has 4 sections, but the researchers plan to build a version with 12 sections soon. Such a robot would be able to pick up very large objects of all kinds of shapes, plus fit through very small openings despite its size. It will be a while until such a drone starts showing up for work, but with such versatility it will no doubt find some way to be useful. Although the obvious application for this type of drone is to navigate small spaces, the team behind it sees a much bigger application. Eventually, the Dragon drone could have up to 12 modules, and JSK says they see it operating like a flying arm, interacting, moving, and manipulating objects, or even picking up things by using the 2 drones like a pincer. As it stands, the actual use cases for this type of drone are vague, but the tech is certainly exciting. It could find a place in industrial use, navigating ducks, for example, or perhaps within search and rescue scenarios. Maju Zhou, an assistant professor at the University of Tokyo, told Digital Trends that the company isn't done yet. We will, next, move forward to design a multi-legged model with our basic link module. Then the robot can not only fly, but also walk on the ground. This can benefit us in terms of the energy efficiency, he said. Such autonomous decision about locomotion according to the environment is very interesting research. Our ultimate dream is to achieve the flying humanoid, like an unmanned Iron Man.